Today, I'm at the rail station in the town of Blair Atholl in the Highlands of Scotland. I'm here on this cool autumn afternoon to take some video of the northbound Scotrail train. This is the view looking south toward Pitlochry from the station platform. You can see the signal house there on the right side of the rail, and if you look close, some of the level crossing signals as well. And now, the look north toward Inverness from the Pedestrian Bridge overlooking the track. I certainly hope you don't think the train's powered by a jet engine, but it does seem that the RAF's out in force today, practicing low altitude maneuvers over the Highlands. Anyway, this is the northbound train for Inverness, right on time. And there go the RAF jets. Now that's better. Those typhoons sure do make some noise. It's time to wave goodbye as the train makes its way up the Highlands with another load of passengers bound for Inverness and beyond. Remember, life's a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.